To reset your iPhone 6, you have a couple of options depending on what kind of reset you want to perform. Soft reset restart. 1. Press and hold the power button located on the top edge until the slide to power off slider appears. 2. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. 3. Once it's off, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Factory reset. Erase all content and settings. No. This will erase all data on your iPhone, so make sure to back up anything important. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Go to General. 3. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. 4. Tap Erase all content and settings. 5. Follow the prompts to confirm and complete the reset. After the factory reset, your iPhone will be restored to its original settings and you'll need to set it up as new or restore from a backup.